Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Ace Cash Express. Review my usage experience. Ace Cash Express Review My Usage Experience offers short-term, small-dollar loans and financial services. Its main purpose is to provide quick access to cash for individuals facing unexpected expenses or needing immediate financial assistance. The target audience is likely individuals with limited access to traditional banking services or those needing a fast solution for a temporary cash shortfall. Key features likely include online applications and potentially in-person locations for those who prefer that method. Their website provides details on specific offerings and eligibility requirements. Ace Cash Express positions itself as a convenient option for quick financial relief. Their website highlights the speed of their application process and approval times. They emphasize transparency in their fees, although specific details would need to be checked on their site. I couldn't find mention of contracts, suggesting that their services are likely on a per-transaction basis. Availability is likely dependent on location, so checking their website for locations is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Ace Cash Express. I needed a small loan to cover an unexpected car repair bill. The online application process was surprisingly straightforward. The website was easy to navigate, and I completed the application in under 15 minutes. I uploaded the required documents, a driver's license and recent pay stubs, without any issues. I received a decision within an hour, and the funds were deposited into my bank account the next business day. The interest rates were clearly stated upfront, and there were no hidden fees, which was a relief. I appreciated the clear communication throughout the entire process. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited information available online regarding potential repayment options beyond the standard schedule. I had a quick question about this and their support responded within 2 days via email, answering my query thoroughly. I was really impressed by how quickly I accessed the funds. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease and speed of the entire process. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Ace Cash Express. It effectively addressed my immediate financial need in a timely and transparent manner. That's my overview of Ace Cash Express Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.